So I'm here at Evie Clair's house. Hi.
Okay, we're headed to Arizona, and where are we, guys?
We're in Mesquite.
Oh! Mesquite? Oh! We're in Mesquite, Nevada, and we just slept, and we're gonna go now to Gilbert. Welcome to Arizona!
We like sleeping babies.
Couple hours out of Phoenix.
A couple hours out of Phoenix. But we like sleeping babies unless we're hungry and don't want to stop if they're sleeping.
So guys, this is the Hoover Dam. We are looking at it. I don't know exactly, just got here.
It's huge.
It is big and scary. We're actually gonna probably walk across that bridge up there to get a better look at it, but evidence there, just checking it out. We'll know more about the Hoover Dam in a few minutes than we know right now. We're gonna go walk down there. We're not used to the 100-degree weather, so. This is the other side of the Hoover Dam, where the water is. I think that's Lake Mead. And that is steep. So this is the Hoover Dam.
It is huge.
And then don't bump into me. If you look over the edge, it's creepy. There's a boat coming over. But it's steep. I'm so scared of heights, and looking down, just like, ah.
Dad, look, a skateboard.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
There's a cooling station over there.
Why aren't we doing the tour, Sarah?
Because it's $15 a person. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, we're not doing the Hoover Dam tour because it's $15 a person. How
Or
much
30,
would that be
it's
for us?
15 to 30. That'd be like $120 for us.
Yeah, we're no good, no good. This is another view of Lake Mead, which is pretty incredible. Like there's volcanoes sticking out of the water. It's beautiful. We just went to the Hoover Dam. You guys nice and hot and tired?
Yeah.
It's only 90 degrees out.
Only?
Well, Dad, that's compared to where we live.
Yeah, right now that's pretty, huh guys?
We're here at Evie Clair's house.
Have you say hi? We came to visit them. It's gonna be awesome! You guys look so bored!
Piano Gal versus Evie Clair. Who's gonna win? Oh, she's almost done.
I'm gonna drown the kid.
Oh, who won? Sarah, champion is
Let me see you breathe. He's still breathing.
doesn't matter. I think Evie Clair's mom's having a heart attack at the moment. It's gigantic.
So we're at Neater's, and Sarah's gonna try the French toast. First time.
Okay.
See if they like it. It's gonna be yummy.
You guys just had that French toast. It's time to take a nap.
I only could finish one.
I couldn't even finish one.
So I'm giving the other one to my mom.
I ate too much whipped cream.
So I'm gonna record a song with Evie Clair. Here she is. This is Productions. Yep. We're going to record, and it's going to be super fun. And this is, I'll show you around. This is really nice.
We have like the nicest neighborhood.
Yeah, it's a really nice neighborhood. I've never recorded here before, obviously, because I don't live in Arizona. But Evie says he's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to go record, and it's going to be fun.
Just tell them if it's too early, we can always just hang out here for a while.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. It's too early.
No, you're totally fine.
Okay.
Come on in.
Grab my stuff.
This is the piano gal, Stephen. This is Stephen Moyer.
Nice to meet you.
To understand, to answer every prayer. I will seek Him, I will pray. I will do my best each passing day to know Him once again. To answer every prayer. I will seek Him, I will pray. I will do my best each passing day to know Him once again.
Cool. Yeah, that was great.
So I'm here at Evie Clair's house. She's on YouTube. Go check her out. Let's see. We'll put something here. So go check out her YouTube channel. And I'm here in Arizona just visiting. And we're going to record a song together. And we just came over and we're swimming with them. And we found some sheet music for a song.
And you're just jamming, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So
Jam a little bit for us.
here's a little bit of it. This is Good Night My Angel by Billy Joel.
Sarah's playing prelude music at her cousin's wedding.
What's up, dude?
This is the Colorado River. It is absolutely gorgeous. I know, I'm not gonna drop the phone, hopefully. And then this over here, I think it's a Grand Canyon. And it is beautiful. If we walk over to this other side, you can see what's over here too. Beautiful river. And we're walking on a bridge just like this. Bridge over everything. It is absolutely gorgeous. Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's episode of The Tour. We loved going to Arizona and visiting family and Evie Clair's family, and I hope you guys enjoyed kind of coming on the trip with us and experiencing the same things we did. And I will see you next week on The Tour. Bye!